Hi guys, today I want to briefly talk to you about glue ups and squeeze out and the different methods to tackling that problem. In the past, I would normally use a straw, try to go in, cut off the tip of the straw once it gets filled up with glue, and go through that process back and forth. It's very inefficient, it's not quick at all. I completely abandoned that method, and now what I like to use is a glue vac. Basically what this is a straw-like tip that forms to whatever angle you're trying to clean up. It has a vacuum component, so it's sucking up all the glue as you're running it through the corner. Let me show you how it works. So as you can see there, I used way more glue than I actually needed, and even then it tackled it with no problem. All I have to do after that is come back with a damp rag and maybe clean any glue that I might have missed. The tips are interchangeable, so when they wear, you can basically just put a new one on there and it's like a new tool again. The nozzle itself opens in half so you can clean the inside. Now, you don't have to clean this right away. You can actually wait until the glue dries and just peel the glue right off. If you use the tool for long enough, you're gonna end up with some glue in the reservoir. In that case, the same applies. You can clean it off right away, or you can wait until the glue dries before you use it next time and peel it off. That's all there is to it, guys. I hope this serves somebody well out there. For me, it's been a time saver, and that's it. Thanks for watching.